In a world full of darkness, lost in the shadows, there's a beacon of hope, a light that we follow. No fear, a visionary with a heart so pure, his sole purpose is to lift us up, that's for sure. With the one path, see, he's changing the game, he's hoping to change the world, make it better, setting an example for all to see. Ash, no fear, our guiding star, together we rise and reach for the sky. Yeah, lifting humanity, spreading love and unity, loving humanity with passion for all we believe we can achieve. Oh yeah, lift, lift, lift up, up, Ash, no fear, lift, lift, lift up.